is Abakpa Junction along this Enugu Abakpa Nike Express Road. If you look at my left hand side, you see that work is ongoing. They are actually constructing a new flyover here in Abakpa Junction in order to ease traffic. We are driving from here to Penoks, then Nowas T Junction. We ended this video along Nike Lake Resort Road. I want to really appreciate you a lot for always stopping by to watch my videos, for liking my videos, commenting, for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you a lot. My name is Okey-Enearo, a trusted real estate expert based here in the city of Enugu. I have helped a lot of clients in Nigeria and in diaspora to secure genuine and registered properties here in the city of Enugu. So if real estate investment is one of your goals this 2026, then you have to call me on the number on the screen. Let's help you secure genuine, affordable and registered properties here in the city of Enugu. Please kindly like this video, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channels. I used to post drive-through video like this and also property listings and Enugu tour updates around Enugu state. So you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post these videos like this, you get notified. We have C of O fully registered properties along the Nike Lake Road. So if you have been looking for an affordable C of O land, you can buy and start building immediately. I highly recommend Hosanna Estate for you. It's along Nike Road, just 5 minutes from Nike Lake Resort and a minute from the major express road, that is Enugu Nsukka Express Road. So if you have been looking for an affordable place that you can buy and start building immediately that has a C of O, I highly recommend that place. So you have to call me on the number on the screen to book a physical or virtual inspection to this estate. We also have newly launched affordable bungalows for sale in Imuchi, close to Father Mbaka's Adoration Ministry. If you know that area very well, you know that the kind of development that is going on there is very, very massive. So we have an affordable bungalow there starting at 32 million naira for 2-bedroom and 48 million naira for 3-bedroom. And these bungalows you can pay on installment up to 12 months, and also you can pay on mortgage up to 5 to 10 years depending on your age. So if you have been looking for where you can get an affordable bungalow, maybe when you retire back to Nigeria, you want a place that you can stay, or when you come back to Nigeria, you need a place you can stay with your family for the meantime when you return. This is the most affordable bungalows in the city of Enugu that has an installment plan up to 12 months. In my next video, I will post details about the bungalow because it is actually at a pre-launch price of 32 million naira. And these bungalows are being developed by one of the developers that develop Goshen Estate, Graceland Estate. They have a track record of delivering on their projects. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified whenever I post these deals, because it is actually at the pre-launch price. The estate was just launched 2 days ago. So you have to call me now, be among the early investors that will invest now that is still much affordable. You can even resell later or rent it out. So I'll be waiting for your call to take you on a free site inspection to all the amazing registered C of O lands we have and affordable houses, especially bungalows here in the city of Enugu. Kindly reach me out on the number on the screen or send me a message through the WhatsApp link in the comment section. I want to also thank you so much for watching up to this stage and for always watching my videos. I look forward for us going to inspections to any of the properties that we have here in the city of Enugu. Thank you so much for watching.